Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get the couple kissing filter on TikTok. So if you have a photo of yourself and you want to prank someone saying that you have a boyfriend, then let me show you how to create this video using the filter. So to create this video, you need to have TikTok and Capcut installed on your phone. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or App Store. So go ahead and download that. Now go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for test the Simple Dad account. So this is the profile which we're going to use. Now stay till the end of this video as that video will appear right here. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. You're going to post a picture of yourself and then you'll have a male character come into the scene and give you a kiss. So go ahead and tap on Capcut, try this template. This is the template which we're going to use. Go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. Now go ahead and tap on use AI template. Now go ahead and post a picture of yourself. And tap on next. Now let Capcut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it a few minutes. Now once the AI effect has been applied, you'll see yourself with a male character in your scene and giving you a kiss. So once you're happy, tap export here at the top right and then tap save and share to TikTok. Now go ahead and tap on next, add your captions and your cover page, and then tap on post. Now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, you need to go ahead and open up TikTok and search for test the Simple Dad. Visit the profile page and you'll see this kissing boyfriend filter right here. Tap on this and tap on try this template. And then follow the instructions on this video. So there you go guys, that is how to find the kissing boyfriend filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.